Question number 24 of the ID password exam from PhilNITS. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is an appropriate description of AR, or augmented reality? The way to answer this question is to read each of the statements and then choose from among the choices the best answer. So let's look at the first statement. Letter A says that a technology that creates memory space beyond the amount of memory actually installed and makes this available as main memory. I think this is not correct, and we'll later find out why, because once we find the correct answer, it'll be a much clearer what exactly we're looking for when we say augmented reality. Letter B, a technology that overlays and displays computer-generated information on live video or other content that captures real environments. I think this is a likely answer. Let's put a mark here. Why? Because we have words like real environments, live video, and overlays, displays, computer-generated information. So I think these are words that pertain to something about reality and something about augmented, which means we're adding something to reality, and because we're talking about computers, we're talking about technology, then it's got to do something with computer-generated information. It can be images, it can be animating images, which is basically several images, and then you put them together so that you have several frames of the images that when you play it, you go through each of the frames so that it looks like it's moving, looks like it's animating. Okay, so let's see what are the other choices just in case. Letter C says that it's a technology that analyzes and digitizes the human voice by using a computer in order to utilize it for commanding a computer, entering characters, and so on. So this one pertains to something related to the human voice, and we want to command the computer using that human voice, but we want to get outside of the computer actually when we're talking about augmented reality. And if you're stuck in the computer, then it looks like it's not the correct answer for augmented reality. Even though we're using the human voice that is digitized by the computer, the output is still, I think, stuck within the display monitor of the computer. Okay. All right. What else? We do have letter D, a science or technology for emulating human intellectual activity such as inference, learning, and ability to understand language by using a computer. I think this is also not the correct answer because it seems like it's related to machine learning, machines learning how to think for themselves, and it's not really augmented reality. So we put an X mark here and also here. Okay, so let's see. So we got letter B as the correct answer. And let's see if I have some more notes that will help us understand the question and the answer. Okay, so what I was saying a while ago, augmented reality overlays onto a live video. So you got words like these, okay? And actually I think I'd like to think about some more the letter C, because I was saying something about being stuck on the computer display. And I think because if you have a live video, you'll still need some kind of display for that. But I guess in this case, for letter C, where we're commanding the computer to do stuff for us. So it's more of input, like keyboard, except that in this case, human voice, so that the computer will do certain things. But I think really augmented reality would be something where you put on the real environment or something like a video, live video, images, computer generated information. So that I think would be the correct example and statement of augmented reality. So it's really letter B as the correct answer.